Hi, kids! Today we're going to spell names of some cute animals. Animals are so interesting, and I bet you already know some of them. Let's start. The first animal is dog. Can you say dog? Let's spell it. D-O-G, dog. A dog is a friendly animal. Dogs love to play, bark, and be with their families. They make great pets. Next animal is bird. Let's say bird. Let's spell it. B-R-D, bird. Birds have feathers and wings, and they can fly in the sky. Some birds sing songs, too. Our third animal is C-O-W. Can you say C-O-W? Let's spell it. C-O-W, cow. A cow gives us milk. Cows are usually big and have a lot of fur. And the last animal is lion. Can you say lion? Let's spell it. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle because it's strong and powerful. Lions have a big, fluffy mane. You did so well today. Keep learning about animals and keep practicing your spelling.